Extreme weather here. We are looking at the Fred tropical storm going on over time. Then it's just going to be maybe eventually start to weakening. Then the greatest is the next one we need to keep eye on because maybe it will eventually get maybe a category 3 or not because still how warm the temperature and also other things. Also, lots of things going to make it a lot of flooding during in Haiti. Maybe it's just slowly moving. That may be a big trouble for Haiti and other ones also because they did a big damage for the long time ago. There was like 7.2 earthquake did a lot of damage, but now they have tropical storm. Now we just keep eye on it will happen. Meanwhile, the models are crackling up. There's lots of activity still out there. Who knows what's going on during August of this season? Who knows what's going to wrapping it up still? Who knows about there's going to be a lot of temperature the difference with the dew points also. Just you know there's going to be maybe a lot of dew points in this front will happen. Going to be a big one or not. It's just we don't know what it's going to look like. So hopefully with the pressure, because it will eventually happen. Again, maybe more thunderstorms will happen in the northeast and other things also, because there's lots of tropical storms could eventually develop. Like maybe August 22nd, there's another one chance to spawn, and other ones also. And maybe there will be a little bit of draft too for the future, because who knows what's going hard to tell about the outdraft. Cape there is will be the storm on August 18 or 19 will be we are for the northeast. And also there's other things still going happening in the wildfires on the west. Still document is it all still as today at 8 p.m. there's still a lot of wildfires. It's never will be over for the west and for Canada also. What's going on the American place? Because our thought it will be never will be over. Because never will be this temperature will be always will be a rise because lots of heat things like temperature and above average temperature will be increasing very strongly for that place because it will get developing those wildfires on the west place also. because the temperature knows a lot because it's very hot and dry and not lots of rain. It's really bad, but it's going to get maybe eventually be over during August 18th or the 19th. Who knows when it will be over with the climate will happen with the temperature and also lots of severe weather with the lots of lightning threatening about it too. There's lots of going on over time about it. It's just, who knows, future with the thunderstorms going on over time. Because there's lots of chance for wildfires more spreader. Because over time, there's spreading over just how scary it is over time and day. It's just so bad it is. Because there's going to be maybe there's more spreading with the wind gusts and there's other things also during it. Event. Who knows what's going on over time? Because lots of wind gusts going increasing over time. A lot of wind gusts will be increasing over day. That's how much will impacted by it also. Because there's going to be lots of rain during it. Who knows what's going on during August and about this weather, but I will talk about it tomorrow also. This is extreme weather out here.